I was surprised to see some of the drones used in Ukraine at CES. So let's take a look at them. Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025.
Any plans to put optical cable and make it?
I know that we were considered to use optical cable, but in our situation, like
Yeah.
in our terrain, it's really difficult.
Very difficult. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This plus it's noisy. Has to rise up. Yeah.
Like here? Yeah, no. Ah, here.
This is a
yes,
Russian
yes,
killer right here.
Yes, there are four. Thank you.
But do the, like he's saying with the rope, like to lower it.
Ah, the rope. No, but you can attach it. Actually, no, like something like this. No.
These are one of the biggest drones. But let me show you the actual drones that they're using right now. And these, they do add optical on these, I see.
This is the most popular with the four of them. Also, the second most popular for the mines. Like this is one big compartment for the mine.
These are Ukrainian setup in here they have.
With the hooks, with the clips. So depends on what you need to carry.
Light loads. Light, they make it light so you can go fast. Oh, I can? Okay. This one's light. Oh, it is super light. All 3D printed on carbon fiber.
It's
Is
a
that carbon fiber
3D
body?
printing and plastic.
Yeah. PLA on the inside, carbon fiber on the outside.
Yeah, this one, this panel here and here are not originally parts of the drone.
Yeah.
It's just a mock-up made of the real drone.
Yeah.
We just removed all the electronics due to the safety reasons. And without electronics, it looked like a skeleton of a fish. So we just attached those things on the sides, just to make it look more fancier.
Yeah. They're great. I mean, they're fast, light, loads are great. They could carry more, longer distance. They're getting better. The engines are getting faster and better.
They are extremely fast.
Yeah. Really good concept and good idea to just get them out there. Thank you.
Thank you.